In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure your Zoom app is up to date, a crucial step for maintaining both security and compatibility, especially as we navigate through 2025. Keeping your Zoom application current is not just about accessing the latest features, but also about safeguarding your online interactions. I'll guide you through the process for updating Zoom across desktop, mobile, and alternative installation methods. Let's first look at how to update Zoom on a desktop, whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or even Linux. A manual update through the Zoom app is a straightforward process. Start by opening the Zoom desktop client on your computer. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see your profile picture or initials. Click on it and select Check for Updates. If a new version of the app is available, Zoom will prompt you through the download and installation process automatically. It's a seamless experience designed to ensure you're always using the best version of the software. If you don't see an option to check for updates, especially prevalent on devices managed by institutions that use an MSI install, you will need to manually download the latest installer. Simply head to Zoom's Download Center, download the newest version, and reinstall it. This ensures that you are not just reliant on automatic notifications for updates. Next, let's talk about enabling automatic updates. This is highly recommended for a hassle-free experience. Within the Zoom client, go to the Settings menu. From there, navigate to the General tab. There you'll find the option to automatically keep Zoom up to date. Make sure this is checked. This feature allows the application to stay current without needing you to check manually. Beyond that, you can choose between fast or slow update channels. Selecting the fast channel means you'll receive updates as soon as they are released, which is great for those who want the latest features immediately. On the other hand, the slow channel provides updates at a more measured pace, offering more stability by first resolving any unforeseen issues. No matter which you select, critical updates will install automatically, ensuring that security patches and other urgent improvements reach your device promptly. Keeping your Zoom app updated is a small yet significant task that ensures you're always working with the best tools at your disposal and maintaining the highest standards of security. Whether you're on a desktop or a mobile device, or using any alternative installation methods, this simple routine acts as a cornerstone of your online safety and efficiency. So make sure to follow these steps regularly, and you'll both stay secure and get to enjoy the latest features as they become available. Thanks for joining me today, and happy updating!